And I don't, and look what he did, bro. Oh my.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is your boy BeDistinct. In today's day, we don't got much going on, but we do gotta do some things, okay? If you guys look right there, there is an extra wheel right there because well, one of our front wheels was a slightly dinged, slightly damaged. So Fitment Industries went ahead and sent me a wheel completely free. So huge shout out to them. Their customer service is beyond this world. So we're gonna go ahead and mount it, switch it out, and then we have to get an alignment for the G35 since we do have new wheels, new tires. You wanna get an alignment. So with that being said, let's get our day started. And if you guys want to help out the channel, there's links down in the description down below. If you guys need LEDs, wheels, tire, suspension, you guys can help support the channel through those links. With that being said, let's start today. All
right, y'all, before we can even align our car, we actually need to switch one wheel off. One of the wheels actually ended up being dinged, a little small mishap, no worries. They went ahead and sent us a brand new wheel. Look at this, brand spanking new, man. This thing's amazing, and it's already freaking ceramic coated. I mean, this thing's amazing. And what's in here? Oh man, they sent us more ceramic refresh spray. They are so nice, man. I love Fitment Industries, and if you guys haven't already, you guys can go ahead and check out Fitment Industries in the link down below. They are super awesome. You can order wheels, suspension, tires, dude, they do it all. So freaking fantastic. Let's go ahead and mount this on the Civic and then mount it on the G35. Spanking new. This thing looks amazing. All right, guys, and just like that, we are back from the place. But look, the TPMS sensor, apparently the guy said that they take this off it no longer works, or I don't know how true that is, but I think it messes up when you install it. So this one currently doesn't have a TPMS sensor. He said I can go buy them and then he can go ahead and install it for me, but at the moment I was like, whatever. But yeah, this one got switched off a little bit because I don't know if you guys can tell, it has a lot of those dots. That's because when it was shipped, I don't know how it happened, but some of the freaking lug nuts got free and they started dinging the wheel while it was shipping, I'm assuming. So it got damaged a little bit, but they went ahead and sent me a brand new one. This one's brand clean, so huge shout out to Fitment Industries. Super awesome customer service. Let's go ahead and install it on the G, and we can finally go ahead and take it to go get aligned, which is tomorrow. Hey guys, we gotta place this right down that metal right there. It's perfect. I'm a beast. And then they did supply these valve stems, but actually do go with the chrome. They're actually pretty nice. But I have to match with the rest. What about now?
Hopefully he gets to fit in there because I put the new bucket seats on and they're pretty freaking skinny, so hopefully he fits in there.
All right, guys, we stopped at the first alignment shop. They quoted me $100 over the phone. I came inside and he said it was only going to be $50, and if they couldn't align it, then it was gonna be $25. Obviously they couldn't even get it aligned because apparently the vehicle did not fit on the lift. They couldn't even get it up. So with that being said, we got recommended to this other shop who's right across the street. Apparently their lift is in ground, so no need to go up. It's already on the ground and it just lifts up. So we're gonna go there, but that place charges $150, and I'm not sure if it's the best place around town, but at this point I got things to do throughout my day right now. I'm gonna go over there, check it out. Might as well just pay the extra $50, just get it over with. We only do it once in a lifetime, so I'm gonna just go over there and get it over with and see how it goes.
Go past his lights, then at the next set, turn right.
Alright guys, so we just got done paying. It's like California wheels, $150. We'll see. There he went to go put it in, bro. I don't know what it is about my G35, but every time someone got, whether it was the guy who shipped it, that guy, or anybody else who handles my car, they always rev the hell out of the car. Like, I don't know if my clutch is bad or if it's just, I mean, I know every manual car is different, so maybe it's just that, but damn, it hurts low-key. I'm like, damn, bro, treat my car good, bro. But it's okay. Like, you can still hear it. Guys, for those who are staying updated with the Z news, if you haven't watched last video, check that out. But a little insider that I didn't include in that video is that I actually went out and texted and called over like 20 different Nissan, 25 different Nissan dealerships around the nation. It seems like a lot of these dealerships are selling them above 90. I heard so many dealerships above 90 and a couple around 85. As of right now, I do want to wrap the G very much, and I have more than enough funds to do it. It's just that I'm trying to save as much money as possible right now to like buy the Z, because it's a really expensive car. It looks like the G is done. Oh, I gotta clean the camera. Since the car is somewhat aligned now, I think I have permission to let it rip, which is nice. I think I was just looking at the report right now. This is what it came at. My rear seems to be okay. Too much camber. Let's let it rip. Does it drive straight? Bro, it still swerves right, bro. I don't know why, bro. This, and I don't, and look what he did, bro. Oh my God, look. Okay, that was them for sure. I would just freaking put it back in. I don't mind, but this alignment issue has been an issue forever. I've never been able to get the car straight. I've been to like 2 alignment shops, I believe. And I can steer it with one finger. It's fine. It's not that bad, but it always swerves to the right. And if you can see on the paper, there's more, they're not even. I think there's a little bit more camber on the left, which is why it's steering to the right, I believe. And I've also never been able to get like the camber into the green zone. Like, I've never been able to do that. So the toe is good, but the camber is red in both front and back. As you can see, I got -3 in the front and about -3 in the back. So that's just, I believe that's just a max out camber from the OEM stock arms. So if I want to make it 0, I'm pretty sure gonna have to buy rear and front camber arms, which I was told from the beginning. But yeah, that's just what it is right now. Whatever, I guess we just paid $150 to be in the exact same spot, but whatever. It is what it is, I guess, at this point. All right, guys, the car is back. It's aligned, if you know what I'm saying. Not really, but whatever. One of the reasons why I can't get to 0 offset is because I don't have camber arms, right? I don't have camber arms. It's lowered. And then the second reason why it's uneven from both sides is because I have this shitty-ass management. This is from AirTech. Now, this is their stage 2, I believe. If you get their stage 3, stage 4, then you can get it where it's in the control and have presets and whatnot. But as of right now, it is just like a control, right? So you literally have to legit lift up either the whole car, the front 2 wheels, the front back, or each wheel individually, but you can't preset it. You literally have to adjust it every single time you get into the car. And so literally as I'm driving just normally, like the PSI of each wheel is just changing as I'm driving. When I bag it down and I bag it back up, it's not how it was before. So my height is always adjusting, and so I can't have even everything like at any time because it's always changing. So either I have to switch my management so I can go to a digital one, presets, and have that. But honestly, I don't want to spend that much money on it. And I didn't buy this management, by the way. This is the management that came with the car when I got the car at the moment. So it is what it is. It was $150.
Kind of hurts a little bit, not gonna lie, but
anyways, I might be pulling the trigger here on a new wrap for the G35 here very soon, and I'm still calling dealers to see if I can get any updates on my Z, and if maybe there's one that I can get sooner and cheaper. But anyways, guys, I'll catch you guys next video. I cannot wait for the new Z to come. Man, hopefully that thing comes soon. But I'll catch you guys next episode. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Peace.